Hi, junk journaling friends. This is Lauren with Shabby Chic Sunday. Let's make a snow globe together with the elements from Noel, which is the November digital kit for members of the craft room by Shabby Art Boutique. So to make this project together, we're going to need a snow globe. I got mine from the Dollar Tree. You're going to need some water, glitter, printed elements, and a laminator machine. Optional ingredient is baby oil or vegetable oil, and I will discuss that in a little bit. So the first step is going to be to turn on our laminator machine so we can heat that up and get it ready. Next, what I'm doing here is I opened up my laminator sheet and I am placing the elements sporadically on the sheet. I will close the cover back up and now I'm going to stick it inside of my laminator machine. You want to make sure that you really separate the elements and there's good space between each one because you want them to be sealed completely. And sometimes when you put two elements right next to each other to save space, air pockets form. And then when you cut them out, you'll have open parts. So what I'm doing right now is I have cut all of my pieces out after they came out of the laminator machine. And now I'm just starting to piece them together and collage them together to see which elements look good in the back and which ones I want to showcase in the front. And I'm just using a little dab of hot glue to glue them together. This is the snow globe I got from the Dollar Tree. If you do not have a snow globe, you could use a mason jar with a sealable lid or any other cup that has a seal-tight lid. So to put your pieces inside of your snow globe, you're going to very delicately and carefully bend them so that they can fit into the hole that's at the bottom of the snow globe. So I'm doing my angel first because she's going to be the piece that is farthest in the back. And then Santa next because he'll be slightly in front of her. And at the front of my snow globe, I wanted to use this Peace on Earth sign. So I added 2 little dabs of hot glue so I can bend this very slightly to fit inside of my snow globe and then push down on the 2 dabs of hot glue. Here I'm gluing the cute little deer to the side of my snow globe so she pops out a little bit. And then the last elements that I'm going to add are just these little lyrical piano sheet music stars. And I think I add 3 or 4 maybe to the front sign that says Peace on Earth. When you're done filling in your snow globe with your laminated elements, you're going to add your glitter pieces. You can add as much or as little as you would like. It depends on how snowy you would like your scene to look. After the glitter, you're going to go ahead and fill it up with water. Just make sure to leave a little bit of space so that when you add your sealed lid, it doesn't overflow. An optional step is to add just a drop of baby oil to your water. This helps the glitter to fall more slowly. You also could skip that step entirely, or on the other hand, some people fill it entirely with baby oil or vegetable oil instead of water. It's all dependent on how you want your snow globe to look. Then you're just going to put on the sealed lid to make sure there's no leaks, and then screw on the cap, and you are all done with your snow globe.